students, today we are continuing with the IUPAC system. So yesterday we had discussed the two things. I want to just recapitulate that. Number one, count the maximum carbon atom by moving once in one direction, right? And the second thing was which we have discussed was that if the chain is branched, then give the least number to the branch carbon atom. Means number the carbon chain in such a way that the carbon atom which is branched should get the least number. Fine. These 2 points we had discussed yesterday. So in continuation of that, I am going to discuss the third point, which says that while writing the name of the compound, right, firstly write the prefix according to the carbon atom present in the straight chain, right? Means in a straight chain how many carbons are there, right? According to that, first of all write the prefix. Which are the prefix? Meth, eth, prop, but, pent. Fine. And then add the suffix "ane" provided there is a single covalent bond between two carbon atoms, right? The two examples are here I have written. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, right? And it is a straight chain. No carbon is branched. Branched carbon atom is which one? On which other than hydrogen, any other thing is added. Fine. So here are only hydrogen on both the sides. So it is not a branched chain. It is a simple hydrocarbon. So now we will count how many carbon are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. When 4 carbons are there, then the prefix will be what? But. And then suffix will be ane. Why ane? Because there is a single covalent bond between two carbon atoms. So the name will be butane. Right? See the other example. Here let us count the carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. And none of the carbon is a branched carbon atom. So what will be there? With the 5 carbon, our prefix used to be pent. Right? So the pent plus ane. Why ane? Because single covalent bond is there. So the name will be pentane. These are the IUPAC name of butane and pentane. They have general names also, but that I will discuss when I tell you the isomerism. Fine. Now rule number 4. Rule number 4 says if main chain is branched. Main chain means the longer chain which you have counted. It is branched. Then firstly write the number given to the branched carbon atom. Let us do it. So if we do it from left to right, we will count it as 1, 2, 3 and 4. The second carbon atom is a branched carbon atom. If we do from right to left, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we go from right to left, then the third carbon atom is a branched carbon atom. So which one we will prefer? Which numbering we will prefer? Left to right. In which the second carbon atom is a branched carbon atom. Fine. So what is there? If main chain is branched, then firstly write the number given to the branched carbon atom. So which is the number given? 2. I have written 2. Then name of the group attached to it. Attached group is CH3 and the name of CH3 is methyl. If you remember, it is one hydrogen less than methane, CH4. What has it converted into? Methyl. So you like 2, then methyl. 2-methyl. And then finally the name of the parent chain as alkane as per the carbon atoms. Right? Now finally, what shall we do it? We will write the name of the alkane according to the carbon atom present in this chain. So in this chain, how many carbon are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon are there. So what shall we write it as? Butane. What shall we write it? Butane. So the name of the compound will be 2-methyl butane, right? So just to revise it, I just do 2-3 more, 2 examples more. Fine. Look at here. It is here. So here it is, suppose Cl. What is there? Cl. On rest of the carbon, the valency is attached with hydrogen, right? So now, what shall we do? As per the rule, we will count the carbon atom in such a way that the branch carbon atom should get the least number. Now here something interesting. If you will go from left to right, 1, 2, 3. If you will go from right to left, 1, 2, 3. That means in both the cases, either left to right or right to left, the second carbon is a branch carbon atom. It doesn't matter, we can go for anything. So what shall we write? The number is 2. The branch carbon atom. So according to rule, what we write down first? The number given to the branch carbon atom 2, then the group attached to it. So children, whenever chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine is in the side chain means on any of the carbon atom, right? So then its name becomes chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo. Fine. So its name will be 2, then chloro. 2 chloro. And then 3 carbon are there. So from 3 carbon, which is the alkane? Propane. Propane. So name will be 2-chloropropane. Right? So in that way, what shall we do? We will do the IUPAC naming of those hydrocarbons which have the branch carbon atom. Thank you children. Rest of the things I will discuss in the next video. So what you are supposed to do? Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.